Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 3755 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for HP DeskJet 3755 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with HP DeskJet 3755 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the section that says Installation Software and Full Basic Driver Support. Select the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3700 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessories and the download button. And then once it's downloaded to your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file and then basically extract the files. And then once that's done, we're going to proceed. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then you want to proceed with the on-screen directions here, configuring it for your specific device and printer. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.